I said, climb in. Then she climbed. Oh, yeah. Well, she was bruised and broke from head to toe, with a tear in her bloodstained shirt. She didn't tell the whole truth. She didn't have to do what had happened to her. I didn't load her down with questions. That girl had been through enough. I just threw it in dry, looked in those eyes, asked her where he was.
I don't know if he's an angel, 'cause angels don't do what he did. He was hell-bent to find the man behind all the whiskey scars I hid. I never thought my day of justice come from a judge under a seat, but I knew right then I'd never get hit again when he said to me, wait in the truck, just wait in the truck.